Good morning students. Today we are going to do how to express a number with a rational number as an exponent. Means any number having the exponent in the rational form, means rational number as a power or exponent, right? So we will going to do this here. For example, we have a 6 raised to the power 2 by 3. Look, this is a rational number, means a number with a rational number as a power, or power is in a rational form or in a fractional form. So we will write this number as 6 raised to the power 2, and there is a cube root of 6 raised to the power 2. Let me take another example. 5 2 raised to the power 7. So how we express this exponential form? In a different form, we write 5 raised to the power 2 and 7 is outside the root. Means we cannot find it in another way. Let me take an example. A raised to the power, in general we take a raised to the power m by n. So how we write this? As we write n outside and a raised to the power m inside. This form, when we are writing any exponential form, in this form we call it is a radical form. Means exponent form is converted into a radical form. And what are the parts of radical form? Means any exponential form is written in a radical form. So what are the parts of this? Am is called radicand, am is called radicand, n is called index of radical, index of radical, and this is a sign of a radical. And how we read this number? How we read the number? This is the way we write the radical form. And how we read the radical? We called nth root of a raised to the power n. Let me take an example. For example, we have to express a number with exponent 2 by 5. So how we write a radical form? We write 5 raised to the power 2 and 5 is outside. So how we read this number? We read this number fifth root of exponent 5 square of fifth root of square of 5. So let me take another example. For example, we write 7 raised to the power 2 by 9. Means this exponential form has to be expressed in radical form. How to be write in a radical form? For this we will write 7 raised to the power 2, 9 outside. Means radical form is am. What is your a? It is 7. What is your m? This is 2 and a is 7. Then sign of a radical and square, it is square with this, n is outside. So we write square, we write 7 square raised to the nth root of 7 square. Means how we read this number? This is the way we will write. And how we read this number? We write ninth root of 7 raised to the power 2. Let me write another example. Exponential form 5 raised to the power 8 by 7. So how we write in a radical form? We write 5 raised to the power 8 and 7. So how we read this? 7th root of 5 raised to the power 8. So this is your radical form. This is the easiest way we will convert the exponential form to radical form. So exponential form to be converted into a radical form.